video is the first in a new series that I'm putting out on slow motion knitting, and in it I'm going to demonstrate slow motion cast on, long tail cast on using the thumb method of the long tail cast on. If you'd like to see my regular long tail cast on video where I actually just kind of go slowly and use words, I'll give you a link to that video if you click the little eye in the upper right hand corner. That video is about 10 years old, so it's a younger me giving you those instructions. But as we make more slow motion videos, I will add them to a playlist, and I'll give you a link to that playlist. We have more coming out in the next few weeks, and based on the feedback that you guys give me, I might include little bits of slow motion in some of my tutorials or do more technique videos on slow motion knitting, because I know for people who are really visual learners, this is a good way for them to learn things, to see things in super slow motion. I'm actually going to cast on at regular speed. My producer is going to slow it way down. So let's go ahead and get started with the slow motion long tail cast on. Okay, that was 10 stitches cast on, very, very slow motion. I hope that helps visual learners. Good luck.